Hello. This is a common problem when JBL headphones are damaged plastic hinge and headphones can no longer be used. Unfortunately, JBL does not offer replacement parts, but so that the headphones should not be thrown away. I'll show you how you can fix them very easily and cheaply by gluing them together with Superglue and Baking Soda hack. These are JBL Tune 770NC wireless headphones, which as you can see have one side plastic damaged, so to glue the headphones they must work and the side cable must not be broken. To do this gluing you will need to find baking soda and super glue in your grandma's kitchen, but make sure it's liquid and not gel super glue. A plastic bag and painter's tape will also be useful for this job. The first task is to wrap the headphones in plastic so that they don't get messed up by the glue. Leave only the part of the headphones that needs to be glued free. Apply glue where the headphones have been damaged. Now it is important to hold the headphones in the same position as when they were new. Apply baking soda on top of the superglue. This will make instant cement with the superglue. Apply the superglue over the top again, and apply the baking soda over the top of the superglue and apply the superglue again. The most important thing now is to fix the headphones in place so that the glue hardens and the headphones are secured. Once the glue has hardened, press the superglue into the gap in the headphone body. And add baking soda inside the slot. Then take your grandmother's toothbrush and clean the next side gap. Press the superglue into it too and add baking soda on top. Clean off the remaining baking soda. Clean the gap on the other side. Press the superglue into it and add the baking soda on top. Clean off the remaining baking soda. Squeeze superglue into the gap. Add baking soda on top. Wipe off the remaining baking soda with a toothbrush. Cover the entire seam around the headphones at least twice in this way. Apply superglue and baking soda on top. Wipe off the remaining baking soda and this completes the seam. Leave the last layer of glue without baking soda. After 2 hours, when the glue has dried fully, take your grandmother's nail file and use it to peel off the rough and unwanted instant cement seam. The glued area should be smooth and nicer after filing. Then, with a toothbrush, wipe off any dust that has been removed. Clean the work surface so as not to smudge the headphones themselves. Remove the headphones from the plastic wrap and clean the glued area with a damp cloth or alcohol wipe. When the glued area is dry, take black insulating tape and wrap it around the glued area to make it nicer and not to show the glue seam. Here's the result. JBL Tune 770NC wireless headphones repaired. At least $100 saved and your favorite headphones recovered. If you liked this video and found it useful, don't forget to like this video. But for now, I have to go put my grandmother's toothbrush back. But good luck to you.